Well, a very good evening to you from wherever you're tuning in from. Welcome to the broadcast. Now, tonight, the much-anticipated National Police Recruitment Exercise, which is due to start tomorrow, October 3rd, has been suspended by the Employment and Labour Relations Court.
The legal hurdle has put on ice the 7-day recruitment of 10,000 police constables, which was set to resume after a 4-year hiatus. We have the details on this story, plus plenty more updates coming your way.
This is KTN Prime, our top stories tonight. The much-anticipated police recruitment exercise, scheduled to begin tomorrow countrywide, halted by the court. We tell you why.
2 Kenyan rights activists go missing in the neighboring Uganda, allegedly picked by the Ugandan security officers. Just where are they?
Local Kiambu members of parliament are claiming that health facilities are dysfunctional due to the medic strike, but county government is refuting the claims.
Operating theatres are silent, pharmacies unstocked, maternity units are overwhelmed, and essential equipment gathers dust as emergencies.
Plus, we bring you an expose and footage showing how a suitcase full of cocaine slipped through the JKIA, exposing cracks in airport security. Welcome to the broadcast. Our sign language interpreter is Maresha Witi, and I am Ashley Mazuri.
And I'm Jesse Rogers. Thanks for making time. Let's get you informed to our top story tonight, where the much-awaited police recruitment exercise scheduled to start tomorrow has been halted by the court. The High Court Judge Helen Wasilwa issued the order barring the commencement pending the conclusion of a case challenging the recruitment exercise. Following the court order, the National Police Service Commission has postponed the exercise until a later date. Earlier today, while speaking during a Jukwaa la Usalama platform in Nairobi, Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen pleaded with the courts to allow the exercise to go on. Winfrey Owino kickstarts our broadcast tonight.
National Police Service has been dealt a blow by a labor court in Nairobi after Justice Helen Wasilwa issued orders barring the police recruitment exercise, which was scheduled to begin tomorrow. The exercise, scheduled to run up to next week in various parts of the country, will now remain pending until further directions are given by the courts. The courts made the decision after former Kilome MP Harun Mwau moved to court to challenge the legality of the exercise.
One of the judges has given an order to stop the recruitment process. I believe that will be sorted. I wish I would call the judge directly. I wish I would be allowed to call the judge directly to understand the consequence of a court order stopping recruitment of police that has never happened for the last 4 years, and how it is very critical for the safety of our country to recruit those police officers urgently.
You know, the requirements of the United Nations is 1 police officer to 450 members of the community. Currently, our stand is at 1 to 519. That's where we are. So what I'm trying to say is that number one, we all agree that in the 3 years' time, our numbers have gone down, and we need to draw the numbers up.
Following the court's directive, the National Police Service announced the postponement of the exercise until further notice as they seek legal avenues to ensure the recruitment goes on. According to the Inspector General, the recruitment exercise plans to onboard 10,000 officers to the service to replace 5,000 who have left the service either by resignation, retirement or sacking.
2027, we have elections, we have AFCON and many other activities. So we need to have the right numbers.
Speaking during a Jukwaa la Usalama platform in Nairobi, CS Murkomen has proposed an increase in budgetary allocation for police vehicles fuel from 450 to 650 litres monthly to stop instances where citizens are asked to fuel police vehicles to get assistance. He also explained a number of proposed reforms in the security sector, and touched on the fate of police officers in Haiti.
United Nations wamevote, wamesema sasa hiyo mission itapanuliwa na itahakikisha kwamba UN itasupport na kwamba watu wengine watatuma so that it gives also space for some of our police officers who come home to come home.
Issues of corruption, hiring political goons, less personnel, a decentralized command, poor infrastructure and resources dominated the police presentations.
Align these Bwana Waziri leadership ranks across all MPS formations, then we can have or ensure that we have clarity, unity of purpose and operational synergy.
The Ministry of Interior started the country tours in April this year, culminating in the last one here in Nairobi today. Winfrey Owino, KTN.
Two Kenyan